Hello, dear students. I am Anantesh, English teacher, TPC High School, Kodukere. Dear students, today we are learn one of the important lesson in 8th standard. The unit is second. The title of the lesson is Sir C.V. Raman. We are learned 3 and 4 classes are about Sir C.V. Raman. So C.V. Raman, we are already know about, was the greatest scientist in India and the greatest scientist in the world. We are feel very proud to say he is an Indian. But today we are going to deal with Sir C.V. Raman's in 8th and 9th paragraph. Before going to the lesson, first I will read to the lesson. Listen carefully and find out the difficulties. So, this lesson we learned a lot of many good character and habits, because how Sir C.V. Raman worked and he was how he passionated his work, how Sir C.V. Raman achieved in his life, how he was eager to the knowledge throughout his life, and how one of the other character that he was a well good human being. So we have learned today the lesson. I will read the lesson. You listen carefully and find out the difficulties. You open page number 26, paragraph 7. Raman was a kind man. He helped the people when they were in difficulty. When he was working as the Deputy General Accountant, a villager went to him with some badly worded 100 rupees notes. Any other person perhaps would have turned the village away. But Raman took pay on the villager, examined the notes himself, and allowed the villagers to exchange the old notes for new notes, for new ones. Once at Raman Research Institute, a candidate was not given admission as he did not do well in his test. When his traveling allowance was paid, the candidate found that he had received more. He returned to the office to took the excess amount. When Raman came to know on this, he liked the candidate's honesty and admitted him to the institute. The candidate was not able to make out why he was admitted when he had not done well in his test. It seems Raman told the candidates, "I have admitted to you the institute because of your character. You are not very good in physics, but I can teach you. So next we are more on the 8th paragraph. Look at, during his lifetime, Raman was received a number of honors and medals. In 1929, he was knighted by the King George V and became Sir C.V. Raman. A number of universities honored him with doctorates. He was member of many international scientific organizations. In 1954, the government of India awarded him Bharat Ratna. In 1957, the Soviet Union honored by him, awarding the International Lenin Prize. Raman died on November 21, 1950 at the age of 82. In his death, India lost one of our great sons and the world a great scientist. Dear students, this lesson is over to read. Now I will explain to you the 7th paragraph. So in this paragraph, there are the special character of Sir C.V. Raman. Yesterday class, we have know that the Raman, how to eager of the knowledge, how to dedicate the work, and how to he was working into 24/7 in his research. He spent most of his time for to discover a new thing, and his this the main object. So he did well. But here this paragraph explains he was a very kind man, he had a good well-beings, human beings character. So there are two examples given here. So that we are learned in this paragraph. So not only for the universal science, I am told to here ತುಂಬಿದ ಕೂಡ ತುಳುಕುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾರಣ ಏಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಗಾಧವಾದಂತಹ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂತೂ ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ಗರ್ವಿಯಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಿಂಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ವೆರಿ they are the very they know the common problems. They understood the simple layman also. So, but we are all not doing like that. So this is the example how Sir C.V. Raman was a kind man. So he was very kind, very sympathy on poor people. So he helped the people when they were difficulty. Difficulty opposite word easy, underline. Kind, cruel. So dear student, Sir C.V. Raman was a man of principles. He had a good principles, and he was very sympathized on the poor people when they are facing the difficulties. So he was good. He had a good helping nature, a good manner, good moral values. Because of he came from his way of life. He had a good moral values and ethic values. So that's why he followed. He always helped to the poor. So that's why once what happened when he was working in the Deputy Accountant General, the author is quoted here to hear so many examples. One example is very beautiful. That is when he was working as a Deputy Accountant General, he was in a very high posted. But so all the officers, all the officials were respected to him, but he was not been bothered about their designation and then I am not doing I am an officer. Yep. So he was never to be behave like that. But he was very respected to everyone. Here, what we learn in this paragraph, so be respected. One, give respect and respect. That type of the qualities we are adopted in our life, my dear students. So that's why we are adopting the lesson here to learn human beings nowadays. So we are very facing the very problem for to behave like this. So we are knowing in our neighboring country, in our neighboring people and the neighboring in our home. So that's why when he was working as a deputy accountant general, a villagers came. Village is a small village. Villages means Halliyava. So he came to me to office. So that time, Sasivi Raman was working as a deputy general. So, but he brings some notes. What kind of notes? Here, like all his notes were burned. Like this is an Indian copy. So, here, all the notes were burned. Burned the system. So, the villager was suffering from lot. But the Sasivi Raman, any other dosha, any other persons, perhaps would have turned to the villagers away. We are in the post, we are in the officer, we are abused than that villagers. You don't have any common sense like that. So, but we are rejected. But our Sasivi Raman accepted all the buried notes and sympathized. He exchanged. Exchange means he gave new notes to the villagers. The villagers was surprised. He was very happy because he respected the Sasivi Raman. Oh, like that. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಸುಟ್ಟೋಗಿರುವಂಥ ದುಡ್ಡುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಸ ನೋಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇವರು ಆ ವಿಲೇಜರ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌ Sasivi Raman was a kind man, how he was helpful the poor when the person is in difficulty. Dear students, so that's the shows today how Sasivi Raman was a gentleman. We say he was a gentleman and a man of principles, and he had a good human beings here. So, like that, it's a best example. Villages away, but Raman returned away. But Raman took pity on the villagers, examined the notes himself, and allowed to the villagers to exchange the buried notes for new ones. So he gave them new notes. So took him all the buried notes and gave him to the new notes to the villagers. The villagers was very happy and respected to the Sasivi Raman and went away. This was the best example. Another one example for so how kind man he was here. Once at the Raman Research Institute, a candidate was not given admission as he did not well in the test. Once there was a, in those days, there was a competitive exams are conducted. So there is a procedure here. Who are taking to the competitive exams? The government has paid to them their TE. TE means traveling alliance. So this is the procedure in the olden days. The government has paid to them. By mistake, Raman was given more money to that candidate. But the candidate was not getting the minimum score in the competitive examination. In the competitive examinations. But he was in a director in a research institute. So that student can also apply to study in the science subject. So he was not doing well and he was not been taking what more than marks. So how? But the candidate was surprised. How he was surprised? Because the Sir C.V. Raman was admitted to that candidate. He was very dull in the test. He was his performance is very dull in the test. But Sir C.V. Raman gave the promise to admitted their institute. So how it is possible? So the candidate was very surprised because there was an incident happened. So Sir C.V. Raman gave an extra amount to the extra TA amount to the candidate, but candidate counted its excess. So he was returned to the office and returned to the extra amounts or more amounts to the Sir C.V. Raman. This was very what we say impressive by the Sir C.V. Raman, the character of that candidate. Are you understood, my dear students? So one sari ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿ ಇವರು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆಕಸ್ಮಿಕವಾಗಿ ಈ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಲವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋದಾಗ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಪುನಃ ಬಂದು ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಸರ್ ಸಿ.ವಿ. ರಾಮನ್ಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಸಿ.ವಿ. ರಾಮನ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಎಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಟ್ he gave more importance to the character. Hence I will tell you, my dear students, money loss, nothing is lost. Health is lost, something is lost. But character is lost, everything is lost. But we have to maintain a good character. Dear student, throughout his life, if you are losing your character, you are misbehave to anyone, cheated and saying untrue, false. So once we are lose their beliefness, faith, so no one cannot be a believe on him. So that is we are learned to in this lesson. So but Sir C.V. Raman was appreciated that the candidate, you are very good, I will give you admission. He promised that the candidate was surprised because our performance is very low. How can Sir C.V. Raman gave admission to the institute in his organization? So after he told that the candidate, I will give you admission because I like your honesty and like your character. Yes, this is so. But you are low in the science. Your performance is very low, very dull. But I can teach you. I can teach you because of I liked your character. I liked your honesty. Because the candidate was returned to the office and refund the extra amount to the Sir C.V. Raman. So the dear students, underline the word, the character. So the honesty, dishonesty. So like that. These are all best example for the how Sir C.V. Raman was a kind man, witty man, and he was very always had a good nature to the poor, helping nature, and he was very a man of principles and gentleman, and he was a very good human beings. These are all the qualities had Sir C.V. Raman. That's why he was a greatest scientist in the world. So, 8th paragraph, let me see. During his lifetime, so in his lifetime, number of this paragraph explain the number of awards. He won the number of prizes and he won the member of the many international organizations. Number of universities are gave to his doctorate. Some of them awards are quoted to here. List of that. First one, Raman received a number of honors and medals. So, in 1929, he was knighted by the King George V. So, after he became a Sir C.V. Raman. So, the George V was gave a good honor of knighthood. This is also a prestigious award. So, that's why after he became a Sir C.V. Raman, everyone called him Sir. Sir means respected word. The Don means he was a very genial, very gentleman, made hobby and that so that's why. So Raman, why he was honored so many medals, why he was getting so many medals, because he was give respect to the and take respect. So he was respected even a layman as common man. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾದ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೌರವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. But he had a good man of passion. Passion means dedication, hard work, and hard work, like that. So in a number of universities honored him with doctorates. So after the knighthood, he won the knighthood awards. Many universities are called the Sir C.V. Raman, and they honored the man and gave them a doctorate awards to the Sir C.V. Raman. So he was a member of many international scientific organizations. So in the world, there are many countries that are offered and calling to the Sir C.V. Raman, you come give the lecturing to the countries and junior scientists and gave all facilities to you, and they are honored today, or they are made in membership of their countries. So these are, we are really proud of Sir C.V. Raman, really a very good, greatest scientist. Like that. In 1954, the government of India awarded the Padma, Bharat Ratna. 1954, the government of India gave Bharat Ratna award. This is one of the prestigious prize in our country. So Bharat Ratna. There are few personalities are won or honored by the government. So that's why, especially Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Bharat Ratna award in 1954. So in 1957, the Soviet Russia honored with by the awarding the International Lenin Prize. In 1957, our neighboring and well-wishing country, Russia, is offered to and also gave an honor and an award their late president of Lenin, that is Lenin Prize award to the Sir C.V. Raman. These are all we are said to proud. We feel proud of our Sir C.V. Raman because he got and so many. So he was increases our prestigious he was increases the our country's prestigious throughout the world. So that's why he was a very great son of India. But unfortunately, in the November, Raman was died on 21, 1970 at the age of 82. So at the age of 82, Raman was passed away, Satodru, and also the month of 21, you remember the underline is year. So Raman was passed away in 1970 at the age of 82. In his death, India lost one of his great sons. So India really lost the one great son, and also the world also lost a great scientist. A great scientist, ಭಾರತಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಾನ್ ಮೇಧಾವಿಯನ್ನ, ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರಥಮವಾದ ಜೀನಿಯಸ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗಾಯಿತು. ಸೊ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ಅವರ್ scientific field was suffered because of the Sir C.V. Raman passed away on November 21, 1970. So, but here, dear students, so that's why this chapter was conducted to you are alone. You gave more contribution to then our country to develop in all the sectors also. So, ದೇಶ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇಂತಹ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನ you making a good IAS officer, good administrator, good social server, or any field you gave to the country. So that type of the persons are needed nowadays, because our country is suffering from our country is facing many problems also. So that type of the peoples or that type of the personalities we are needing to hear to develop our country in all the sectors. So that's why this is ended by the lesson Sir C.V. Raman. But we remember one day, February 28, it is declared our National Science Day for his sake of C.V. Raman's birthday. 1900 ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 28 ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ದಿನವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಹುಟ್ಟು ದಿನವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಎ ಜನರಲ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಳಜಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನವೇ ಡೇಸ್ ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬೂನ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್. ಇದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಒಂದು ವರವೂ ಹೌದು, ಒಂದು ಶಾಪವೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೌದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊತೀವೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಅಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ನವೇ ಡೇಸ್. ಆದರೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವೇ ಹಾಳಾಗುವಂಥ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಅವರ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ on February 28 to generate or create the awareness about the science for our future generation. Like that. So now I will stop to here. You will learn a lot of many things from these lessons. So I really thank you to listen my lesson. Now I will stop to here. This is over. Next day we are started a new lesson. Thank you, my dear students. Now I will stop here.